All right, here I have a 2025 Nissan Frontier with a 3.8 liter engine, and I did an oil change. And if you just want the quick information, it takes a 0W20. The oil capacity is 5.25 quarts. The oil drain plug is a 14 millimeter. The oil drain plug torque is 25 foot-pounds. And then down here, I provided the OEM filter number if you need that. Now, the rest of the video is just me showing where everything is. So here at the top, you have your oil fill cap, and then right next to it, your dipstick. And then at the bottom here, you have a plastic cover with 5 12-millimeter bolts. And then this plastic cover has a tab towards the front that goes into a hole. So be aware of that. And then once you take that off, there's your drain plug. It is a 14 millimeter, more towards the passenger side. And then over here, towards the front, you have another cover for your oil filter, which is 2 8-millimeter bolts. And then once you remove that, there's your oil filter, as you can see. Now, this was the oil filter that came out. This was its first oil change. And then when I looked it up, the actual part number is this one. And if you look more towards the bottom, it'll say that it actually new part number replaces those old part numbers, which was the one on the car. I used this service champ, and then here's a bunch of other part numbers for other brands, if that helps. And then when you fill up your engine, you want to check your dipstick and make sure that it's in between those two dots, the low and the high. And then to reset your oil life, you're going to be using this side button here. So you're going to go all the way to the side, to the little gear. Kind of went too far. Go down to maintenance. Click OK or enter. And then there's your reset. Press enter, go down, reset, and go down, reset. This one isn't activated, but I thought I'd show it anyway.